Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to replace the lamp right here on the license plate on my '06 Corolla. Now a lot of times you can get to these pretty easily, maybe some screws underneath here, but this one doesn't look so easy. The left one's okay, the right one is not. So what I'm going to use for this, for the tools, use like a trim tool. This is a metal one. Has good and bad things about it. This is some plastic ones that I have that came in a set. I'll put some links in the description to some of these if you don't have a set. These are really nice, especially for interior work, because you don't scratch up anything. These can be a little bit hard and scratch the paint. Now the panel that the light's behind, or that's behind the light rather, is in your trunk deck lid, and there's a bunch of these push pins that look like this, and they're here. You can see holes. I've left a couple in the very end, so we need to access what's right behind here. So we're going to use one of these trim tools, and we're going to get underneath. We're going to pop that, so I'm going to put my thumb on it. We're going to pop it out. These can be a little tricky. These can also go flying. And same thing here. We're going to reach up here. See, it looks like a fork almost. Now the nice thing about these plastic ones is they still will scratch, but you got to be careful. You don't have to be as careful as you are with the metal one. So this will just slide out. I've already got the other ones out. So put this down here, and then here's where, right here and right here, are your lights. So we turn and twist that, and there's my bulb there. Now I was curious what this was, and I'm guessing I have a base model. So I'm guessing Corolla '06, that's CE model. I'm guessing this is for a trunk lamp, perhaps. I'm not quite sure. But here's all the linkage here if you ever had to get in here. You can see actually where I did scratch it a little bit. You got to be careful. I was using the metal one there. So the plastic ones definitely don't have the tendency to scratch as much, although they could. So I'm just going to go down to the parts store, or see actually if I have this in the parts, in the spare lamps I have, and then replace it. If not, we'll have to pick one up at the parts store. Putting it back together is just simply reversing the procedure. Basically put the lamp in, screw it in, test it before you put everything in, and put these push pins all back in. There's about maybe 8 of them, and I'll show you that in a second. Alright, back at it. So we got my lights on there, I got the new bulb plugged in. Going to stick this back in here, just give it a twist. It's a little tricky because there we go, you can hear it click. So once again, you're right up in there. Just put up in there the socket, put the socket in the hole there, and give it a click, and then both of them on. Now, the remaining thing is just to basically get your trim piece back in and put it on the right way. I had it the right way. The notch side goes behind your trunk release, your inside trunk release for emergency in case somebody were to get locked in here. I put it up in there. Grab some of these pins. This looks like someone's maybe been here before. I don't know. And we're going to get some of these pins in place. That was a little broken, it looks like. Straightforward. Just get those pins. Get this one in so it doesn't fall. A little misaligned here. Yeah, there you can see how they fit right in there. Get that going. And then probably with one in. And we'll put one in over here on this driver's side. Just go through. Do this side. And then once the sides are in, should be good to go. Yeah, I think someone may have been here before. Some of these are a little broken, either that or they broke off inside the car, inside the actual trunk lid there. But they seem to still be holding. I mean, there's not a lot they're doing other than this piece of almost like carpet on top of corrugated plastic. That one. Now, if you're missing some, I would probably, hit the perimeter. And then, like there's some here that maybe you'd want to get, just so it doesn't hang down on you. I got one on this side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, now about 10 or so of these push pins, push fasteners. You can see there I got that one in. This one's one of the ones that was actually a little broken. So once again, if you don't have the trim tools, take a look in the description. I'll see what I can find for you, a link. If you're only going to buy one, I would probably buy, these yellow ones came in a set. And I've had that metal one for probably 20 plus years. But these come in, and these are really handy, especially because they're plastic. You can get behind trim pieces. You can pry up on these type of fasteners either with a flat or with an angle like that. You got just a generic wedge that you can get in there as well. So if you have a tail light out, or sorry, if you have a license plate, so if you have a license plate light out and on your Corolla, this is like I said an 06, that's how to do it. One of these ones up here fits right up in here, and just have to pop this down. Now what I did at first is I tried taking just a couple down, and probably if I had to do this again I probably wouldn't pull that whole panel down. So you may just want to try, if your right one's out, just pull out these ones on the right, and your left one's out, just do the left one, and maybe you can get your hand in there without pulling all of them down. It is easier to get to because your hand is sort of in a weird spot in there. But anyway, either way, either take them all down or take a couple down. You could probably get a screwdriver in here, although I'd be careful. I'd probably put tape on the screwdriver. These tend to bend and crack, so having the right tool, you could probably use an old fork, actually. Might work too, or a butter knife. But just be careful of the paint. That's going to probably scratch the paint up, so you don't necessarily want to do that. But anyway, that's how to change the license plate bulb on your, in this case, 06 Corolla and the like. I imagine Toyota used a similar setup in other years. If you like this video, please be sure to subscribe. Lots of other great stuff on the channel. And click the thumbs up if you liked it, and also click the bell to be notified of our future videos. Thanks again for watching.